Your attachments are the proof of your bug. Here's how to get them right. For every attachment, show current date and time. Desktop, include your OS taskbar or menu bar. Mobile, pull down the notification shade at the start of the video. Add a second date/time screenshot for mobile screenshots. Show the browser's address bar for web testing. Record full screen and keep the URL visible in screenshots and screencasts. Record the full screen in high quality. Reviewers must see context, UI, and messages clearly. Avoid low resolution. Text and UI must be legible. Make interactions visible. On desktop, mouse pointer and click effects must be visible. Android, show taps and touches. For screencasts, keep videos short and focused. 60 seconds maximum for bug reports. 15 seconds maximum for reproductions and user stories. Show only the last navigation step, the action, and the bug. Cut only the beginning or end if needed. Never speed up or cut the middle. File type MP4, maximum size 25 megabytes. For screenshots, highlight the issue on visual and content bugs. Use clear markup while keeping the full page visible with the URL bar. Mobile screenshots must include date and time. Add a second screenshot showing the device date and time. Ensure battery and time match the first image. Common mistakes that lead to rejections: missing date and time, hidden taskbar or menu bar, no URL bar, low quality recordings, clicks or taps not visible, videos way too long, mid-video cuts or speed ups.